Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is a song recorded by Johnny Cash. It was released in 1969 as the 10th single from his album, Land of the Free Home of the Brave, previously unreleased session. You Are My Sunshine was written by Jimmy Davis and Charles Mitchell. 10 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Jimmy Davis. You Are My Sunshine is a song popularized by Jimmy Davis and Charles Mitchell in 1939. It has been declared one of the state songs of Louisiana because of its association with Davis, a country music singer and governor of the state in the years 1944 to 1948 and 1960 to 1964.
Let's help you make your mark.
Jimmy Davis. You Are My Sunshine. The song was first recorded by the Pine Ridge Boys on August 22, 1939. The Rice Brothers Gang recorded it on September 13, 1939. Jimmy Davis bought the rights to the song from Paul Rice for $35 in late 1939.8 August 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You Are My Sunshine was a song that was recorded by Jimmy Davis and Charles Mitchell in 1939. Metaphor. This song uses metaphor to help compare the person that this song was written about to being a sunshine. 20 April 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.